Today the Supreme Court has given its opinion on the reference sought by the Honorable President of India. About 14 questions were raised by the President of India, and Supreme Court has answered 12 questions, but however has returned unanswered for about 3 questions. But many of you are asking how far this will affect the judgment rendered by the Supreme Court in its adjudicatory jurisdiction relating to the Tamil Nadu governor. You are aware that in April 2025, the state of Tamil Nadu got a very good judgment in their favor against Tamil Nadu governor, and that judgment will not be affected in any way by the opinion that is expressed by the Supreme Court today. In fact, in 1974, in St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad case, the Supreme Court has said that the opinion given pursuant to the advisory or reference sought for by the President under Article 143 will be like an opinion of a law officer, and that will not bind the court, because the court can exercise its power under Article 143 if it is called upon to give its opinion on the reference sought for by the President. But under the adjudicatory jurisdiction, once a judgment has been delivered by the court after hearing both the parties, then that judgment will bind both the parties, and the opinion expressed will no way affect the judgment rendered by the Supreme Court. Therefore, this opinion, it's an opinion. It will not bind the Supreme Court in its adjudicatory jurisdiction, and even the President of India can either take that advice or leave that advice. So therefore, this will not in any way affect the judgment rendered by the Supreme Court in its adjudicatory jurisdiction last April 2025. Any questions, sir? Thank you.